Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing Fashion Famous. The thing was Snow Angel. I actually did my outfit for Snow Angel. Okay, she's a Harry Potter fan. I like the outfit and the hair, but not a big fan of the face, but I do love the hair, the outfit, and the pants. So that means 3 stars, right? Yeah, this is me. Thanks. I wonder how many votes I get. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Okay. Nice wings. Great outfit. Not a big fan of the roses. Snow angels don't have roses because they, so, I don't know. Is this Snow Angel? Who's doing that? Yeah, I don't think he gets the Snow Angel theme. Tab Camper doesn't get the theme. I think it's because she copied my outfit. Or she was thinking what I was thinking. Okay. This is so not Snow Angel. Don't copy me. Don't follow me crazy. What? I did it what she made. Because I didn't copy her. But obviously everyone's going to do the white color. Because that's basically what it is, I guess. Okay, and the results are again. I won! Yay! Yay! I won! She just doesn't get it. I didn't even copy her. We don't have the same dress. Well, sort of. She copied me. I guess we were thinking what other people were. I guess we were thinking the same thing. And that we copied it. Okay, next round. You in a couple minutes. Hey, this is Freaky Face. Okay, so Freaky Face. Let's do. Should we do? No, that's not freaky. No, that's cute. That one's really nice. No, not that one. That's like the rata block thing. I don't know what it is. Let's do. You know what this is? I don't like it. That gives me horrible headaches. So we're not gonna do that. Let's do this. Does this have anything to do with Freaky Face? Yes, because I'm gonna add it. But does that mean we have to do something freaky or something? I don't know. This has a lot of detail, right? Yeah, that's freaky. Oh wait, I know what it means. So you need to do like, it basically means scary. You know what I'm gonna lose one eye. Freaky Face Day. This takes a lot of work. So that means, also wear something scary to school, I guess. Well, not really school, but like, freak. Something. Black. Hey, you copy! You copycat! These days, there's a lot of copycats. These days, there's a lot of copycats. Because there's a lot of things that... Wait, she's gonna win! I can't let her win. Yeah, there's a lot of that. That people don't want to let happen. I hope you heard the weather, guys. Okay, this is enough items. I can only do like a couple items. Hey! She's not doing Freaky Face Day. She's doing Cute Face Day. Something freaky. I had to change my face. I had to change my face because someone else, because someone had it. This is not Freaky Face. I'll give that a 1 star. That is not Freaky Face. Freaky Face means scary. I think. I don't know what this girl's done. I like her hair and her outfit, so I'll give her 2 stars. Ugh. Oh, it's not Freaky Face. I'm not gonna vote anything because that's not Freaky Face. She's like famous. So I don't know what this girl has done. Yeah, this girl copied me. This girl copied my face so I can change it, and she copied my top. And my shoes. Pretty. Yeah, that's exactly right. Some of them are super. Some of them are super pretty, not freaky. The whole main thing is to be freaky. I really like that outfit. Okay, let's see. We're starting. I won! Yay! Yay! Okay, I mean, should have not. Yay! Okay, that was. I guess I gone too far. I have 52 wins. Yeah. What's wrong? Is it because you copied me? But basically, whoever goes first is not the copier, and whoever goes second is basically the copier. And copycats in this game, it gets really ugly. I mean, super ugly. Like, ugly. Like, really bad. Like, it really bad. Okay, okay. Why can't I climb it? Okay, what's the category? Sorry, I didn't see it. Okay, story book character. Little Mermaid. She has a green, she has a purple top. And they don't have purple. I mean, I actually have the book of it. Obviously, it's this storybook teller, I guess. Oh, yikes. Oh, I really want this top. Like, all these tops in the game are, like, my most favorite. Wait, the king of the Little Mermaid. Why I'm going to this section is because I need to do this. I'm going to look like the Little Mermaid. Storybook character. Obviously, the Little Mermaid. Does she have a crown? I don't know. But I know she has long hair. And I'm going to make it. It is about this long, I guess, so I would have tried. Okay, this is good. Yeah, see, she's doing a Little Mermaid too, but she messed up the hair. She doesn't have freckles. Okay, that one's good, right? Oh, she has her fish, but I didn't get the puffer fish. That's a bust. Because she needs like a fish animal, like a crab or something, or that. So the people who have it, oh, you can also be Cinderella. So yeah, so the people who you could also be Maleficent, or not, because Maleficent has like big wings. She has big wings. Oh, okay. Let's go to the other. Yeah, let's go over here to get her crown, because I think she was queen. Okay, let's go ahead and get a crown. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, this looks more like the mermaid. Actually, if you didn't know, actually, when I did this, I was in probably last place. I don't know, but I guess it was worth it. Well, kind of because mermaid. Oh yeah, she's popular. The Little Mermaid is popular in this game because everyone likes to do it. I actually have a drawer that I store all my books. And oh my god, VIP. Wait, what? I need to read that again.